Hello everyone, how you doing tonight? Like, subscribe, share with your friends, help me out if you can. This channel needs all the support we can get. Good news, I broke 300. I am now at 370 as the moment I start recording this video. 372 subscribers. Thank you everyone. That means I need 130 more to hit 500 and I can be eligible to make money off the advertisements that YouTube shows.
Stand by for action.
Anyway, this is an operation.
Impede the enemy's advance until the main
Defend the base.
arrive.
This is Base Commander. Good luck. Try not to lose a single ship and save our base structures from destruction.
Mend the
Reconnaissance
Sims.
data suggests the principal attack will be launched in 10 minutes. If the outer radius of defense is broken, the attack will begin earlier.
Not the best boat in the game, but it's one of my favorites that I do play. I like this boat. This genius is not instilling a lot of confidence in me. Blackthorn? Yeah. Trento? Alright, let's go over to where the Flint's at. New Mexico's hanging out. He's in a good position.
This is Base Commander. Support ship approaching the second battery line.
Oba. Yahagi, Kurataki, and Kumo. All Japanese cruisers. Well, let's get in the mix.
Smoke generator started.
Shit, the Flint's throwing a lot of lead out there. Add some smoke to this.
Attention, reporting the target position.
Don't think this guy's gonna survive, but you know. Getting in the mix.
Smoke screen
All
set.
their cruisers got whacked. Oh no, there's still one left. And we do have an aircraft carrier that helps us out, so that's good. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna help you, buddy.
Reconnaissance reporting. Second attack launched.
Still understand why they all come in
Attention.
waves. They all come at once.
The principal attack
Overwhelm
is
us.
launched, and secure the carrier's retreat to the base.
This is Base Commander. Support ship reach Battery 1, restoring the battery.
Those circles you see in the water back there, the bluish green ones, support vessels. If you get inside those circles around that vessel, you get heals. Hello, battleship. And just blew my ears out. If it was
Engine
real
boost
life.
activated.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to be sitting right there, on, even in another boat. You'd have a hell of a headache.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
Hello. How are you? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Because they're still a ways off. Just in case I get lucky. That guy needs to die. He's throwing smoke. There's the other one. The mouse. It's probably not a wise move, but I'm doing it anyway. I got a hit. Did a little damage to me.
Problem Problem solved, sir.
And of course, my aim is off, as usual.
Smoke generator started.
Come on, hit him. Kill something. Damn, I can't hit shit. Somebody got him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, oh. Slam on the brakes. Got one torpedo
Torpedoes,
hit.
dead ahead.
And only one of my launchers is ready.
Smoke screen set.
And I got nerves of steel because I'm hiding in the smoke screen.
Engine boost deactivated.
What do I want to
Reconnaissance
do?
reporting. Third attack is about to be launched.
Uh-oh. Looks like I might get one torpedo hit. Pound this guy. Congo. Needs to die. One good torpedo hit. The second one ain't gonna do it. Nope. Just missed. And he's getting a little too close for comfort. He's the last one in the area. And I need to skedaddle. Yep, proximity detected. Yeah, those torpedoes were wasted. And I'm boogieing back to Liberty 1, Maintainer 1. See if I can get a heel going on. We got a few minutes before the other guys show up. No kills for me yet, though. And guess who died on our team? I believe it was Torrento. Did not survive. Like I said, he didn't instill a lot of confidence in me at the start. And pedal faster, pedal faster. Come on, whip them galley slaves, row that boat.
This is Base Commander.
Yes, Base
All
Commander.
batteries restored successfully. Support ship returning to base.
Not quite yet. I want to get inside his heel range. Patch up my boat. I'd do a lot of damage, but I took some. Our aircraft carrier is doing his thing. And there we go. Flint did a number on him. Yeah, Toronto didn't die, didn't survive. But like I said, third time now. He did not instill a lot of confidence in me at the start. 15,000 and growing.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
And there we are.
Engine
Shield
boost
up.
activated.
Now let's scoot. Let's scoot. See if I'm lucky. Just missed. Yeah, I'm not catching that right. There we go. There we go. Oh, the gun battery got him. Chicago bought it. Z23. Hello. How are you?
Generator
You come
started.
to play? Give me something to fall back to. Smoke screen. detected. Ah! Somebody else got the kill.
Reconnaissance reporting. Principal attack is underway.
Smoke screen set.
Attention. A large enemy aircraft carrier entered the combat zone. Destroy her.
Well, where the hell is she? I'm moving out. Spot some for my boys. Use this smoke screen as some cover for a minute. Oh, it's fading already.
Engine boost deactivated.
Oh well. And there's the Nagato and the ruin. And the ruin is the one we want to take care of first. Mogami.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
Ruin could ruin your day real quick. And turn a little to the right. Starboard tack. Come on. Head to that island for cover. And I made it. Mogami. How are you, my friend? How are you today? Oh, you have a headache. I can't imagine why.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Come on, battleship. One hit. Nope. That destroyed whoever I hit.
Enemy cruiser.
Oh, I got the ruin. Kiting away. If I don't, I'm gonna die. Come
Problem
on,
solved,
North
sir.
Carolina.
Engine boost activated.
Big, fat, stupid battleship. There's another torpedo hit.
The ship is on fire.
That was on the Nagato. Yeah, that's not going. Ooh, thank you. North Carolina got him.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Shooting at the shore battery. Getting a little bit of action here. Getting some hits. There we go. Set a fire. And they're getting a little too close for comfort. The Nagato needs to go away. The Bismarck and the North Carolina can handle him. I need to go give support over here. Independence is in trouble. Flint needs help. Don't look like New Mexico's gonna survive. My shots have fallen well short. Yep. Nagato bought it. New Mexico died. That's not good. Got Ganaisen now over there. He's gonna be a problem. Bismarck got him though.
Engine boost deactivated.
Okay. Hello. Yep. Got him.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Nice now.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
He's a big threat. Wookie bought it. Come on, baby. Come on. Shooting blind. Can't tell exactly where he's at, but I'm getting hits. And I'm healing. But he's getting too damn close. Oh, Maintainer 2 is not gonna make it. Come on, come on. Let's get him. Liberty 2 dies. That's not good. We got too many ships in the bottom of the sea. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go.
Reporting. Task completed. Enemy carrier destroyed.
Enemy carrier dead. Alright. And we win. This could be pretty tough. This Operation Defense Navy Station Newport can be pretty tough to beat sometimes. 223 hits, 5 torpedo hits, incapacitated 3, set 6 fires, 3 floods, killed 2. Not shabby. And we've got, if you could get Krakens unleashed in this part, in this operation, we would have 3 of them in this game. You got, Bismarck got natural selection and assistant. Assistant. I don't know what it's for, but this guy, Torrento, Blackthorn 9, yeah. Not a great player. Did not instill a lot of confidence in me. But I got 2 kills, so. And all my supporters out there got me up to 370 last I looked. It might be more now. Thank you very much. I appreciate all the support I'm getting. Channel's growing. We're getting there. I'd like to bring more to it, but you know, money's in short supply right now. Everybody's tight. Thanks for watching. Bye.